Next, Jasmine Paul for the graduation speech.
Good evening, respected chief guest, principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. The Bible says in Psalms 118, verse 24, "This is the day the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it." My name is Justin Paul from Senior KG. Today is a very happy day because we are graduating. I remember my first day of school when I studied science more. Now I can read, write, share, and say thank you and sorry. I want to say thank you to my teachers for loving me. Thank you to my parents helping me grow strong. I want to say thank you to my school aunties and patimas for carrying me. I want to say thank you to my friends for playing with me. We have so much fun playing and learning together. I always remember my days of cocooness. I'll miss my play school, but I'm excited for my new school. God bless my teachers and all my friends. Today I say goodbye with a wide smile because we're big kids now. And wait for grade 1. Happy graduation to all my friends. Thank you everyone. Love you all.
Thank you, Jasmine Paul.